Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your social studies job for today. Our target skill for today is I can use a map key to identify places on a map. So let's take a look at what that means. A map, boys and girls. Have you seen one of these before? This is a map of the world. A map is a picture that shows where places are. Do you see where you are on the map right now? Right now we are right here on the map. There are many different types of maps which we'll see today, but this is a map of the whole world. There can be maps of countries or of schools. Let's investigate a little bit more. Today we are going to be looking at symbols and map keys. So a symbol is a picture or an object that stands for something. Do you see a symbol that you know what it means? I know I do. I see this symbol here. It can mean many different things, but in first grade, what does this symbol mean? It means plus or addition, right? It doesn't say plus or addition, but it's a picture that means or stands for something else. Let's take a look at what that looks like. On a map key is a place that shows what each symbol on a map stands for. So on maps, boys and girls, we don't have enough space to write a bunch of words. So they use pictures instead. The map key is a box that holds all the pictures and it tells you what the picture means. For example, there is a picture of a tree, but on the map, when you see a tree, it's going to mean a park is there. So they use pictures or symbols to mean words or other things. This one you see is a fire and logs. It doesn't mean that there's an actual fire on the map. This means that there's a campground there. Let's take a look. All right, boys and girls, so reading a map. We have a map here. What do you think this map is of? It looks kind of like a park to me. And down here, we have our map key with all of the pictures from the park and what they mean. So, our job, boys and girls, is going to be to read the map. They give us instructions and we are going to follow those instructions. So number 1 says, how many picnic tables are in the park? I see that I am looking for picnic tables. It tells me to look for picnic tables. So I'm going to come down here and say which picture means picnic table. This picture right here says picnic table. So, how many picnic tables are there? How many of these pictures do we see? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 picnic tables in the park. All right, boys and girls, our next clue tells us, draw a circle around the swings. So, I am looking for the swings. What do the swings look like? I'm going to come to my map key and find the word swings. There it is. So I'm going to draw a circle around every picture of the swings. So let's find them. There's only one. So the instructions told me to draw a circle. Our next instruction tells us, color the trash cans blue. So I'm going to get out my blue crayon or my blue marker, and it tells me to color the trash cans blue. So now I'm going to go and look. Ooh, I see that this picture means trash. So I'm going to color all of the trash cans that I see blue. All right, our next instruction says draw a triangle around the stop sign. So I know that this picture doesn't mean stop sign because that means trash. This picture means picnic table. This picture means stop sign. That was the clue they gave me in the instruction. So I'm going to draw a triangle around the stop sign. And I see one stop sign there. We are on our last clue, boys and girls. It tells us how many slides are in the park. So if I go back down to my map key, I see that there's only one picture I haven't used, and this is the slide. Count them with me. 1, 2. There are 2 slides in the park. Did you see how we used our map key to read our map? All right, boys and girls, it is your turn. You have this paper at home. It says Jack's bedroom. You have 4 instructions, and you will use your map key to complete the instructions. Be sure you use the clues to color and decorate the map. Alrighty, boys and girls, have fun.